Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Exam Side Mathematics by Pani. In this video, miscellaneous questions on inverse trigonometry we are going to discuss. I hope everyone is able to understand that. Is it clear my voice for you? Are you able to hear? Yeah. See the questions. We will come back in half minute. Yeah, start dear students. Let us have a discussion. The question here, find the values of the following. Cos inverse of cos of 13 pi by 6. Cos inverse of cos inverse x lies between 0 and 5. So 13 pi by 6 is not belongs to that. So what we can do is 13 by 6, how many times is going to divide? 2 times. 6 to the 12. So 2 pi plus pi by 6. Is it equal to 13 by 6 or not? So 12 pi plus pi, 13 pi by 6. Cos inverse of 2 pi plus pi by 6. Cos inverse of, sorry, here I forgot to write cos. So cos inverse of 2 pi plus theta is cos theta. That means cos pi by 6. Pi by 6 is belongs to 0 to pi only. No? So cos inverse of cos pi by 6 is pi by 6. So this is our answer. Okay, dear students, we'll move on to another question. Tan inverse of tan 7 pi by 6. So tan inverse of tan of 7 pi by 6. Pi plus pi by 6 can be write like this. So tan of pi plus theta is tan theta itself. So tan pi by 6. So tan inverse of tan theta is theta. So it is pi by 6. Clear one? Now come to question number 3 and question number 4. In question number 3, prove that 2 sin inverse of 3 by 5 is equal to tan inverse of 24 by 7. So what we have to do is consider LHS. 2 sin inverse of 3 by 5 which is equal to 2 as it is we are writing. Sin inverse of 3 by 5, draw that some angle you take it here, theta or A or B or anything you should take it. Sin inverse of 3 by 5, sin definition is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Here 3, here 5, by using Pythagorean triples it will become 4 only now. I am taking as sin inverse of 3 by 5 as theta here. So 2 theta only on del T. From this I am calculating tan theta value. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent side. So theta equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4 or not? So in place of theta can I write tan inverse of 3 by 4? Yes, we can. 2 tan inverse of 3 by 4. It is in the form of 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x formula. 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x squared. This is also another formula estimates. So tan inverse of 2 into 3 by 4 by 1 minus 3 by 4 whole square. So which is equal to tan inverse of 2 3 is 6, 6 by 4 into 16 minus 3 square. 3 square is 9. 7 will come now. 7 by 16 means 16 by 7 we can write it. So 4 ones, 4 fours. So which is equal to tan inverse of 24 by 7, which is required RHS estimates. Is given now, so that it is mentioned. Now come to question number 4. In this question number 4, sin inverse 8 by 17, sin inverse 3 by 5 is equal to tan inverse they are asking. So whenever these RHS, LHS values, in terms of tan, if you write, you can apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals. So sin inverse of 8 by 17, for that alpha you can take it. So 8 by 17, so here what should come here? 15. Why? Because 289, no? 64 plus 225 is 289. So from this tan alpha will becomes 8 by 15. So alpha equal to tan inverse of 8 by 15 will be there. Similarly, second right angle triangle, if you draw, that is beta I am taking. So 3 by 5 means here 3, 5 like this above diagram. So from here also tan beta is equal to 3 by 4. Beta equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4. Okay, students. So in place of sin inverse of 8 by 17, can we write tan inverse of LHS is tan inverse of 8 by 15 plus tan inverse of 3 by 4. So by using the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. If you apply this formula, dear students, you will get here tan inverse of 8 by 15 plus 3 by 4 by 1 minus 8 by 15 into 3 by 4. Tan inverse of 4 8s are 32 plus 15 3s are 45 divided by 60 by 60 is the LCM. 60 minus 24. Here 60 get cancelled. Tan inverse of 32 plus 45, 77 by 60 minus 24, 36. So that only they are asking to do now RHS. I hope you understand this, students. We'll move on to another set of questions. These type of questions we can expect in ncert also. AP ncert, why? Because AP ncert do not complete. It is going to start by 21st of this month. I'm going to drop this. We'll go for other set of questions. You can follow my other channels also, like the math, exam side mathematics by Pali. This is only. And you can follow the Facebook page Math Solutions by Pali. 5. Here also prove that questions only. Cos inverse 4 by 5 plus cos inverse 12 by 13 is equal to cos inverse of 33 by 65. See another question here, question number 6. This is also prove that only. Cos inverse of 12 by 13 plus sin inverse of 3 by 5 equal to sin inverse of 56 divided by 65. You prove that tan inverse of 63 by 16 is equal to sin inverse of 5 by 13 plus cos inverse of 3 by 5. This question will go by RHS and LHS. Next question, dear students. Sorry for the late. Here LHS we are taking cos inverse of 4 by 5 plus cos inverse of 12 by 13 is equal to cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal to cos inverse of x into y 4 by 5 into 12 by, that means 48 divided by 65. Here plus is there, means here minus will come, dear students. You remember, minus root over 1 minus x square 4 by 5 whole square 16 by 25 into root over 1 minus 12 square by 13 square 144 by 169 bracket close. So which is equal to cos inverse of 48 divided by 65 minus 25 minus 16 is 9. 9 by 25 means is it equal to 3 by 5? 169 minus 144 means 5. 5 by 13. Which is equal to cos inverse of, here LCM is saying no, we can submit the numerators. 48 minus 15 divided by 65, which is equal to cos inverse of 33 divided by 65, which is required RHS estimates. Here which formula we applied? We applied the formula, here I am writing, those who want cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is equal to cos inverse of xy minus root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus y square. This formula we apply to the students. Now come to the question number 6. In question number 6, one is sine, one is cos. So better to change either in terms of result in terms of sine is there means better to write cos inverse 12 by 13 also in terms of sine. That is my suggestion. So cos inverse of 12 by 13, you can take like a rough figure, like 12 by 13 means here 12, here 13 means obviously here it comes as pi by using Pythagorean triplex. I want to write in terms of sine. So 5 by 13 is the sine inverse of LHS value. In place of cos inverse of 12 by 13, I am writing 5 by 13 as 12 by 13. Sine means 5 by 13 plus sine inverse of 3 by 5. We know that formula for sine inverse x plus sine inverse y. Sine inverse x plus sine inverse y equal to sine inverse of x into root of 1 minus y square plus y into root of n minus x square. Bracket plus. So sine inverse of x into x means what? 5 by 13 into root over 1 minus 3 by 5 whole square means what? 9 by 25 plus y square means y into, that means 3 by 5 into root of 1 minus 25 by 169, which is equal to sine inverse of 5 by 13 into 25 minus 9, 16, 16 by 25 within under root means 4 by 5 plus 3 by 5, 169 minus 25 is 144. So 144 by 169 is 12 divided by 13. So denominators are same, we can add the numerators. Sine inverse of 20 divided by 65 plus 36 divided by 65. So which is equal to sine inverse of 56 divided by 65, which is required RHS. So here which formula we apply? Sine inverse x plus sine inverse y is equal to sine inverse of x into root of 1 minus y square plus y into root of 1 minus x square. This is the formula we applied in inverse trigonometry, standard results disciplines. This is the reason we can. Here also how I wrote directly the first term. Cos inverse of 12 by 13. So this if you take as alpha, cos inverse of 12 by 13 is alpha will come here. So 12 by 13 is obviously it is cos alpha only, no? Cos alpha definition adjacent side by hypotenuse. So I substituted here. Whenever 12 13 is there, obviously Pythagorean triple is 5. So cos alpha, in place of this, if you substitute alpha, can I write in terms of sine? Sine means what? Sine alpha value is 5 by 13 only, no? Sine alpha is 5 by 13. So alpha is equal to what? Sine inverse of 5 by 13. Alpha, both alphas are same. Cos inverse of 12 by 13 should be equal to sine inverse of 5 by 13. I hope you understand. We'll move on to another question now. Here also, dear students, this is LHS, this is RHS. RHS value I am converting in terms of tan, both. So here RHS I'm taking now. Sine inverse of 5 by 13 plus cos inverse of 3 by 5. Sine inverse of 5 by 13 is this one, again 5 by 13. So in terms of tan I want that. Tan definition is what, 5 by 12 only. So tan inverse of, can I write like 5 by 12? Otherwise, if you are not able to understand, you take it that first one. This is alpha 5, 13, this is obviously 12. This is from first term. Sine inverse of 5 by 13 is equal to alpha. 5 by 13 is equal to sine alpha. Now you got it now. So from this tan alpha I am writing tan alpha equal to 5 by 13, alpha equal to tan inverse of 5 by 12. Okay. So that is the reason I wrote like this. Similarly, from the another right angle triangle you can consider. Here some beta you take it. So cos inverse of 3 by 5 is equal to beta. So 3 by 5 is equal to cos beta. So 3, 5. So obviously it is what? 4. Right angle Pythagorean triangles. Suppose if you are not remembering this, we can take as x here. X square plus 3 square equal to 5 square. We can simplify x value and get it as 4. Now, in terms of tan, I want to know. So tan beta is equal to 4 by 3. So beta is equal to tan inverse of 4 by 3. This is generally beta will come now. Cos inverse of 3 by 5 is beta. Beta value is what? Tan inverse of 4 by 3. Now you got it up, dear students. Tan inverse of 4 by 3. Now it is in the form of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Again formula. Tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. So tan inverse of 5 by 12 plus 4 by 3 divided by 1 minus 5 by 12 into 4 by 3, which is equal to tan inverse of 15 plus 48 divided by 36 whole divided by 36 minus 20 divided by 36. Here 36 get cancelled. Tan inverse of 48 plus 15, that is 63, divided by 36 minus 20 is 16, which is required LHS. I hope everyone understands, students. We'll move on to another set of questions. Okay. It will help in AP ncert also, these questions, because which are miscellaneous questions from ncert. It will help in AP ncert also. Can we wrap this? We will move to another set of questions. 7 is over. Clearly I am giving that directions also, which formula where to apply, how to convert in terms of particular questions. Please do subscribe and watch, dear friends and dear students, those who are well wishers of our channel. This is my sincere request to all. Question number 8. You should also prove that tan inverse of 1 by 5 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7 plus tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 8 is equal to pi by 4. Next, question number 9. Here also prove that the following. Prove that tan inverse of root x is equal to half into cos inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Is a good question. Let's explain. See that in the question, for first two tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula, for next two also tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula we can apply. So LHS, for first two formula, first two terms, we can apply tan inverse of 1 by 5 plus 1 by 7 divided by 1 minus 1 by 5 into 1 by 7. Plus similarly, for next two terms also, tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 8 equal to tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 8 by 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 8. Now we are going to simplify tan inverse of 7 plus 5 divided by 35 whole divided by 35 minus 1 divided by 35. Plus here also same thing, but the values will be changed. 8 into 1 plus 3 into 1, 3 by 8 into 3 is 24 whole divided by, in denominator itself 8 into 3 is 24, 24 minus 1. Here 24, here 24, here 35, here 35, it cancels. Now the remaining terms, tan inverse of 12 divided by 34 plus tan inverse of 11 divided by 23. Am I right? Even more simplification is required here. Tan inverse of 2 6 or 2 17s plus tan inverse of 11 by 23. We can apply a tan inverse of x plus y by again 6 by 17 plus 11 by 23 whole divided by 1 minus 6 by 17 into 11 by 23. So which is equal to tan inverse of, they are asking to prove equal to pi by 4 means compulsory this value you have to get it as 1. So 6 into 23 plus 11 into 17 by 23 into 17 whole divided by 17 into 23 minus 6 into 11 divided by 23 into 17. So which is equal to tan inverse of 6 3s are 18, 138 plus 17 by minus 66. So which is equal to tan inverse of 1 will come here students. It is equal to pi by 4. It is required RHS. I hope you will understand. We'll move to another question here. Prove that tan inverse of root x is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. So to prove this result, I am considering here RHS. 1 by 2 cos inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Here root x is equal to tan square theta. So from the theta value we get what? So root x is equal to tan theta. So from the tan theta is equal to tan inverse of root x. Alright. So wherever x is there, what we have to replace? 1 by 2 cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Here one doubt will arise. Students will ask that, sir, how can we know exactly x value can take the value as tan square theta? Why can't take that other values? Here we know that cos in terms of tan formula we know that cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. That is the reason cos in terms of tan answer is given. So compulsory in place of x in terms of tan values only we can replace. That too here root x is there. It's compulsory. Square of the tan we can take it now. So therefore 1 by 2 cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is cos 2 theta. So which is equal to 1 by 2 into cos inverse of cos 2 theta is 2 theta. 2 to get cancelled. Theta means what? Tan inverse of root x. This is required LHS. I hope you understand this, students. We'll move to another set of questions. Dear students, I'm going to end the session now because I have some little work. The remaining questions I'll finish it in the tomorrow's morning class. By 8:30 around I will take the class. I will complete this session. Thank you all. Even examples also I may explain in the coming days. Thank you all, dear students and my well-wishers as friends. Please do subscribe and watch. It will help me a lot. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Exam Site Mathematics by Pani.